Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fall swag for my lantern and these are the supplies I'm using. Okay friends, we're going to get started. I got this pick. It was 40% off at Hobby Lobby. It was 40% off of $3.99. We're going to get this tag off of here. Okay, I'm trying to figure out if I want this to go down or shoot up. And I think I'm going to go this way. Yeah, I like that better. So I'm going to trim off some of this because I'm going to attach a bow to the top part of this stem right here. All right, got that done. I'm going to get the lantern out of the way and I'm going to work on my bow. I'm going to get some help from my Easy Bow Maker. I'm going to measure out maybe a 5-inch tail. The reason why I'm using the Easy Bow Maker is because I'm using 3 different ribbons. You don't have to, you can always just do a hand-tied bow, but this does make it easier. Hence the word Easy Bow Maker. Do 4-inch loops. So you're going to twist it in the dowel. Then I'm going to bring the other side over, make a loop with that, and get the tail out of the way. Bring it to the 4-inch mark, twist it down into the dowel. So there's my first one. Next, I think I'm going to go in with this one. I'm going to do the same thing. 5-inch tail, twist it, put it down into the dowels, bring the ribbon around, do a 4-inch loop, twist it down, do the same on the other side, 4-inch, twist that down, trim it off. Now for the last one. And do the same thing. So 5-inch tail, twist it as it's going down into the dowels, do a 4-inch loop. We can measure off of this one right here. Twist it as it's going down into the 2 dowels. Same thing on the other side. Then cut it off. Okay, now I like to use a zip tie. It's going to gather up all the ribbons on one side. I'm just going to get it started. I'm not going to crank it all the way down. I'm just going to get it started. And I'm going to use this to pull it out of the Easy Bow Maker. Now that I have it out, I'm going to pull the zip tie to the back. And I'm going to insert a pipe cleaner. And then I'm going to crank it all the way down. I like a zip tie because I feel like it makes the loops pop up. Trim that off. Now I have a way of attaching it to my pick. Okay, now I'm going to fluff up my pick. I want some of these things coming to the front because the leaf is bigger. I want that berry into the front. And I'm just going to kind of fluff it out, get it the way I want it to look. Because, you know, they come smashed. Yeah, that looks good. Maybe this one over here. But, yeah. I'm going to take the bow and attach it to the top part here. Give it a good twist. I think I'm going to add a drop of glue just so it won't move. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. There. It won't go anywhere. Okay, my glue has dried down. Now, after I've smashed the bow, I'm going to bring it to the front. And I'm going to fluff the bow. They also call this breaking the bow. And I want these loops to be exactly the way I want them. And I do want them all to show. And I know, there it is. I want tail on this side too. Trim the tails. Okay, now I'm going to attach it to the lantern. There's my fall swag on my lantern. Okay, folks, this is the completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.